kids, I've got a Halloween bat here that you can learn how to make out of paper or cardboard. And we're going to start by folding it in half. And please like and subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed making your bat. And we're just going to draw a line around a little bat template that I've made, but you can make the shape of your bat in any shape that you like. So let's now take some scissors and cut it out. Just like so. Woo! Here's our bat. And we're going to make 4 folds in the wings. And so this second fold, I'm making sure that it's in line with the first fold that I did. So let's keep on folding. Oh my gosh, it's a bat. And this is what it looks like from all different angles. And you can choose any kind of art materials that you would like to use to make your little bat and decorate it. So you could use acrylic paint, I've got glitter markers, Posca markers, coloured pencil and paper, which is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to cut out little bits and pieces of paper. This is the cheeks, the ears and a little bow tie. And magic! There's some white circles that are going to be used for the eyes, and also some black circles for the eyes. This is a Posca paint pen, and just hiding behind it is the eyes, and I've just put a little bit of that pen onto the eyes just to make it a little bit easier. I can't cut out circles that small. There's some glue just there in a glue stick. It looks blue but it dries clear. It's a magic one. But you can use any kind of glue that you would like. And I'm just popping the eyes together, sticking them on a little bat so he can see. And I'm gluing on his mouth, which goes in between the eyes, and his little fangs. And now his little rosy cheeks. And also his ears. And you can add a bow tie if you like. I decided not to go with the bow tie. I wasn't feeling like it today. But you can put whatever else you'd like on your bat.